everyone, Michael Alm here. So this week I'm talking about finishes. So I've gone through all the drawers in my shop and I pulled out all the finishes that I use on a semi to really regular basis. And I'm gonna go through them categorically and talk about when you use them and why, and whether you need this many finishes in your shop or not. So real quick, I wanted to talk about shop safety, which is very important when you are working with hazardous chemicals. The other thing you can do is get yourself a shop air filter. And this one is made by EnviroKlenz. They are the sponsor of this week's video, and I love this thing. It is a hospital grade HEPA filter in a really nice compact size. This thing is made for 1,000 square feet, which is like over double the size of this space. So I'm really happy to have this in the shop. I'm happy because the winter's coming and I'm gonna have to put the shop door down at some point. And this will filter out all those harmful chemicals. So thank you, EnviroKlenz. If you are interested in picking up one of their models, which I highly recommend, check out the link down below.